Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to check activity on Salesforce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Salesforce, I want you to click this sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. In Salesforce, you can check activity related to records such as tasks, calls, emails, meetings, and other interactions through various ways, including activity timelines, reports, and dashboards. Once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the app launcher, which is going to be located on the upper left corner beside setup. You see these colored boxes or circles. Click on it and just go to sales or sales operation. It doesn't matter because you would be forwarded to the multiple tabs that you can work with. For example, where you can go to leads, you can go to accounts, you can go to contacts and opportunities depending on your preferences. In my case, I'm going to be looking at the opportunities. I'm going to click on the salesforce.com. Now, this is going to be the details of that specific account or opportunities. All right. There's going to be an option here that says history, wherein this is the timeline of the negotiation and upcoming overdues. All right. So you see that these are going to be your option. You can view all. So you have like the stage history of what happened or what have transpired in the past couple of days. So these are going to be the activity timeline, which of course you can use to filter the activities. Right here, you can use the filter options available within the activity timeline to see activities. All right, so for example, the stages, amounts, and a lot more. All right, because from doing so, you can set reminders for tasks and events so that users get notified when action is required. For example, it's still a negotiation. If the transaction was completed or was closed, you can create scheduled reports to be sent to your account managers so they can keep track of the team activity regularly. All right, so that's one of the easiest way for you to do it. Now, these methods will allow you to keep track of how your team, your account, or your client is interacting with the customers and where follow-up may be needed. All right, and you can always use the dashboard here for activity monitoring. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.